Bhakti Ratnakar describes that there are 8 yoga pithas in Vrajbhumi where Radha and Krishna meet. First is Chandravali Duradharyam, where Chandravali is cast aside. Chandravali never comes to that place. That is known as one yoga pith. Radha Saubhagya Mandiram, the temple of Radharani's conjugal delight. Sri Ratna Mandapam, the pavilion of divine jewels. Shringara Mandapam, the pavilion of intimate adornments. Saubhagya Mandapam, the pavilion of auspicious fortune. Mahamadhurya Mandapam, the pavilion of grand sweetness. Samrajya Mandapam, the pavilion of universal sovereignty. And Surata Mandapam, the pavilion of intimate amorous love. These are the 8 names of the Yoga Pithas. The Sapta Chandrika Yoga Pithas are situated first in Vrindavan. The first one is in Vrindavan on the bank of the Yamuna, under a divine wish fulfilling tree. The second Yoga Pitha is my second best place in Braj Mandal, where I feel very, very close to Radharani. That is Javat. The second Yoga Pith is in the woods behind the Radha's palace in Javat. Second Yoga Pith. The third Yoga Pith is on Radha Kund, the bank of Radharani's lake. The fourth Yoga Pith is on the top of Govardhan, Giriraj. The fifth Yoga Pith is near Barsana, near the place of Rishabhanu. The sixth Yoga Pith is Nandagaon also very, very powerful Yoga Pith, because all these places Radha and Krishna meet, perform their intimate lila. And the seventh Yoga Pith is the most very powerful place where Gopal Bhatta Goswami performed bhajan, Sanket, one between Nandagaon and Barsana. So these are the 7 Yoga Piths. Brajbhumi te 7 Yoga Pith ache. यार आम्ही वर्णन करीमे. एक वृंदावने, एक जावटे, राधाकुंडे, गोवर्धने, बरसाना, नंदगांवा, संकेत. এই 7 স্থানে রাধা কৃষ্ণ মিলন হইবে. সখী সব লীলা করিবে. These are the 7 principal places to do bhajan. One in Vrindavan,
Jogpit matlab Maharaj
Javat,
Radha Krishna जुगल যেখানে মিলন
এই যোগপীঠেরও 8 নাম আছে যে আমি কইবে. And that yoga pith has 8 names which I described, because there's 8 kinds of leelas are enacted in each yoga pith.
8 নাম না 7 নাম?
না, 7 yoga pith আছে, কিন্তু প্রত্যেক yoga pith-এ 8 প্রকারের লীলা হইবে. আর এই লীলা দর্শন করার ইচ্ছা যেই জন তে রূপ গোস্বামীর আশ্রয়. প্রিয় স্বরূপে, দয়িত স্বরূপে, প্রেম স্বরূপে, সহজাভিরূপে, নিজানুরূপে, প্রভুরেক রূপে, ততান রূপে, স্ববিলাস রূপে. Beautiful verse. Only a person like Kavi Karnapur can write this. Kavi Karnapur is the highest author. I am searching for his book only, which I am not finding. It is known as Chaitanya Charit Mahakavya. Gauranga's Leela he Kavi Karnapur wrote. That book I am not finding. I want to ask him if somewhere it is, that book is there. It's written in Sanskrit. The 3 chapters translated by Kushakrata Prabhu, I read it, but there is no Sanskrit. And I cried after reading those 3 chapters. Kavi Karnapur is the super excellent. Nobody can describe Leelas better than him. he was dumb when Gauranga ordered use. Yeah. Then he composed Nijanu Rupe Prabhureka Rupe Tatana Rupe Swavilasa Rupe Priya Swarupe Daita Swarupe Prema Swarupe Sahaja. Can't describe, there are so many meanings, it will take many hours to describe one verse. Four minutes to go. Narad Purani said, Satyam Satyam Punah Satyam Satyam Eva Punah Punah Vina Radha Prasadena Mat Prasado Na Vidyate.
নারদ পুরাণ বলছে
Krishna is telling in a very choked up voice again and again, Satyam Satyam Punah Satyam Satyam Satyam. Without Radha's mercy, nobody can get my mercy. Radharo Kriparo Bina Amaro Kripa Kichu Jonera Milibena. Ei to Satyam Satyam Param Satyam. In the Bhavishyottara Purana, Krishna says, Prema Bhaktau Yadi Shraddha Mat Prasadam Yadichasi Tada Narad Bhaveno Radhaya Radhako Bhava Radhaya Radhako Bhava. Krishna says, if you want to develop, if you have faith to develop a prema bhakti, and if you want my mercy, then try to do aradhana. Aradhana means, it's very difficult to say in English, they say worship. But it has many other meanings also. Try to do aradhana of Radharani. Radha is doing my aradhana, but if you want my mercy, you have to do aradhana of Radha. Radhako, aradhako bhava. যারা রাধারও আরাধনা করে যেই জন সেই আমারও কৃপা প্রাপ্ত করেন আর তারও প্রেম ভক্তি প্রাপ্ত. So one should always remember Radha and Krishna standing side by side if one wants to attain the mercy of Krishna. Vina Radha prasadena Krishna praptir na jayate. Tato Shri Radha Krishnau smaraniyo susamyato. Always remember Radha and Krishna when they are together. That will please Krishna very much. Because when we remember the milan of Radha and Krishna, then Krishna, when he thinks of us, we are actually helping Krishna in mitigating his separation. It's a very deep thing, but we are in some way assisting the Lord. When we are thinking about the union of Radha and Krishna, then Krishna is feeling. We are helping Krishna to decrease his separation from Radharani. It's like it's already become a part of the Nitya Seva when we are doing that Smaran.